Welcome back. It's been a little while, but going to try to do some fishing content and see how this works out. So today I'm doing something a little different. I've got a little 5-weight fly rod here with this senko look-alike fly that I tied, and I think it was yesterday that I come to this pond here, and it's been a while since I got back here and fished this pond, and I had some pretty good hits on it, and I messed it up, so I had to go home and fix it and retie basically. So today what I did is I brought this obviously, and then I got my fly pack here, and also breaking out the waders today. The only reason I brought the waders is because yesterday when I was fishing this, there was a good amount of spots where my floating fly line would get kind of hung in the weeds and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is hopefully it don't get too deep and I can kind of get out in those a little bit, so I don't have to worry about getting hung in them, and so I can fish a little bit more of this side over there, because on one side of this pond it's a bunch of trees and it's hard to get to. So, and I was gonna bring the kayak, but then I thought instead of just hauling the kayak around, and it's already kind of late in the evening, I figured I'd just bring my waders. But that is what I'm about to go after some largemouth with the 5-weight fly rod. So I'm gonna get these waders on and get after it, so stay tuned. All hooked up and ready to go, so let's get it. So when I come yesterday, I didn't have, these waders or anything like that, and it was also, there's already stuff out there moving, and it was also really hot. But once again, this is what I'm using right here. So hand tied by me, so let's see if I can get in on some good bass here. Let's get out in this water a little bit. Oh yeah, it feels good out here. Get the line started. Get that worm working through the water. Oh, I'm on, and I come off. Yeah, I was too busy worried about a dang mosquito on my back. That's exactly how quickly they'll take off with it. Oh, I'm on. Let's go. It might be a good one. Don't break the line. Don't break the line. Get my net out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That right there. It's a pretty good one for a fly rod. See if I can get him out real quick. Check that out. Look at the belly on that fish. Gotta get more line up there. Oh, and no I don't, because I'm already on another one. Oh, look at that. An awesome fight right there. Oh yeah, another nice bass. Move his head up. Move his head up and come in. Oh yeah. Look at that. All day. Nice bass on fly rod right there. All day long. That right there shows me this I tied myself 100% works. Boom. Release. Something kind of messing with it. Something was messing with it there for a good minute. Make sure my yellow worm's good. Go ahead and flip it out this way. And we're on with another one. This one seems to be a little bit bigger. This is what it's all about right here. Oh yeah. See if I can get him to me. Net him. Without him coming unhooked. Oh yeah, he's about like the other ones. Which is, for a fly rod, really good. Look at that, straight out of the net. Still got that fly in his mouth. Just tanks. Not very big, but they're still tanks. Yeah, see? That's why I was trying to keep the line tight, because he wasn't even really hooked. All I had to do was that, and it was out of his mouth. Another release. And I had one. Look at that. I keep this line tight. Reel up this access line. You always want to keep that line tight in case they're not hooked very well. He's gonna swim on to me. Amazing. So dang fun. Look at that. Just chowing down on that worm. Another nice bass. Oh yeah, stripped right into one. Get all this excess line in. Gotta keep this line tight at the same time. This one's got some fight to him for sure. Oh yeah. He's gonna run. Or if he's gonna come through the gut right there. Boom. fly rod fishing for these bass. I could do this all dang day. It's so much fun. Got everything back in the truck, and I just wanted to kind of, because I knew some people would probably be pretty curious on what I was using for like leader and all that. So for bass, what I have been using, and it seemed to work really well, because I mean they use really small stuff for trout and stuff like that, but for bass I've been using, I forgot what it was exactly on X, but it's about 8 pound leader. And then for the tippet, I'm using 3X if I need to add on tippet, and that is 3X, so it's about 7 pounds or so, almost 8 pounds. But yeah, I just thought I'd kind of run through it and let y'all know, because I knew some people probably wondering about that. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. If you would, please like, subscribe, and comment, and keep up with the channel, because I might start putting more stuff out like this, since it's not, you know, obviously deer season. But anyways, thank y'all for watching.